Hi Terry, it's Marcy here. You dropped your link into a Facebook post that I made earlier this week, and so now I am recording your website review. Now, this is really cool. I really like the video that you have here. It's awesome. Now I'm going to go over just a couple of things that contribute to, pushing your website up the ranks so that it can get in front of more people. Probably one of the biggest, that's not bad, probably one of the biggest weaknesses that people, have when they build sites, and this is all across the entire internet with websites, is that there's not really enough content, meaning the words, the information that's on the homepage, or throughout your website, but particularly the homepage. Google likes to see probably 1,000 to 1,500 words. Therefore, that helps them when they go out and crawl the web. Somebody puts a term into the search bar. It's in their best interest to keep people on their search engine because that's how they make money. So their goal is to serve up the most relevant results. Now, if we don't have, if you do have words, but it's not particularly keyword rich, then again, they have a hard time, figuring out what it is you do. Pictures are also content, but you see when I click on that picture, that's what Google sees. So that picture, when it was uploaded onto your site, stick it, put a keyword in there, right? Lawn care, Nanaimo, landscaping maintenance, Nanaimo, commercial cleaning, that kind of stuff. Like each of these pictures that isn't labeled is a missed opportunity. There you go. So the content, the pictures, all of that information, Google needs to, 1,000, 1,500 words, you probably think I'm crazy, but, it's not like your customers are necessarily going to sit there and read that. They're probably not. They want to just get to your phone number and be talking to you. So it's strictly for ranking purposes that you want to have all that content on there. And also, as you can see, I'm finding it a little bit unusual. Something's a little funny here, actually, is because you're not being found for any words, right? What a backlink is it's a link from a third-party site coming into your site. The internet's like a big popularity contest, so when other sites vote for you, aka give you a link back to your site, that in turn moves your site up through the search engines. Now, it can't just be any link, or it could be, but you could do damage to your rankings. We don't want spammy links coming. Best case scenario is it's relevant to what it is that you do. So, by saying that, like if you had a link from Pizza Hut, it's not going to give you that much of a bump because you don't deliver pizzas, right? But this is kind of suspect, right? Almost makes me wonder if there's something kind of triggered, because you do have some words, you should, and your site's been on the internet for a while. It's been on the internet for 3 years here, 3 years and a bit. So definitely the search engines have Google crawlers have had plenty of time, and I can see there are words for them to find there. So not too sure what's going on there. But those are the things that really help you for your site. And I also put it in just so we can see the performance of it. It's doing pretty good. You got to be here, so you can't really complain about that. That's pretty good rankings. Yeah. So I hope this information has helped you out, Terry. I would just, if I were you, get who's ever built your site here to tag these pictures for sure, and get yourself some more content. There's content writers, if you don't, all that stuff. Like I couldn't write content to save my life, to tell you the truth, but that's why I have people that are very, very good at it that I hire to do it for me when I get jobs and need to provide content for people's websites. Again, yeah, I really, really love this picture. So I'm going to send this off to you. If anything doesn't, my contact information will be in there. So if there's anything that I wasn't clear about, or you have any questions, just reach back out. I'm happy to help clarify anything that you may need clarified, or if you have any other questions. So thanks. Hope you're enjoying your weekend and have yourself an amazing holiday season this year.